Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to send Chainlink from Exmo to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, it's crucial to stay secure and efficient, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Exmo account with Chainlink link in it, and your Arculus Wallet app installed and ready on your device. Double-check that your Arculus wallet is funded or at least set up to receive assets. Always verify your wallet address to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the Exmo website or app, enter your credentials, and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's 2025, folks. Don't skip this. Next, navigate to your wallet section on Exmo. Find your Chainlink balance, and click on the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to select the asset, so choose Chainlink. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might vary based on blockchain congestion. Step 2. Get your Arculus wallet address. Open the Arculus app, go to the Receive section, and select Chainlink. Copy the wallet address carefully. It's a long string, so no typos allowed. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Exmo. Double-check everything. The address, the amount, and any memo or tag if required for Chainlink transactions. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to approve it via email or your 2FA method. Once submitted, the transaction will go through the blockchain. In 2025, with faster networks, this might take just a few minutes, but keep an eye on it using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan for Chainlink. If everything goes smoothly, your Chainlink should appear in your Arculus wallet shortly. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works. Watch out for gas fees, they can add up. And never share your private keys or wallet details. There you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from Exmo to Arculus wallet in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.